All right. Today we're going to start something new that may end my quilting career. This is part 1 of 17 of the Great Sacred Cow quilting debates. And we are starting with the one that has caused more heartbreak than anything else. Fabric bleeding. No. There are 2 kinds of quilters in this world. One, Team Prewash, calm, prepared, emotionally stable. And 2, and Team Chaos. We're just going to sew it and see what happens. Team Prewash, calm, prepared, emotionally stable. And Team Chaos says, absolutely not. I want a crinkly life. I want to live my life. I want to sew and see how it turns out. Now, I'm not saying that I haven't had a red fabric turn an entire quilt pink. But I'm also not saying that. I need to know where you stand on this right now. No thinking. Are you Team Prewash? Or are you Team Chaos? Put it in the comments, and if you've got a fabric bleeding story, I want all the details. Sherlock, I need your help. Team Chaos or Team Prewash? Which one? Prewash! It's Prewash! It's Prewash! There we go! Sherlock goes Prewash. Next up, 1/4-inch seams, or close enough. Subscribe if you want to see where this goes, because it might get a little out of control.